The 26th participant in the Silva challenge is Scott over at Modern Day Salvage. I'm going to try and pull everything from this one tub to send to him. Need to put a plane in there. I mean, I don't have to, but it's always fun throwing a plane in there to see what people will do with it. Here's a little tank. I'm sure this turret portion could be added to something to make it kind of cool. That'll fit in there. Forklifts. I tend to always try to put something like, I don't know why I have so many forklifts. I don't know why I have so many castings in general, but the forklifts, there's something about them that I just think they could be made to look really wicked on a Gasland style build, if that's the direction he chooses to go. There's nothing like a classic old Nova that can easily be made to look like a Mad Max style, Gasland style car. I'm sure people will cringe at the Gulf label or livery being taken off. Man, that rear wheel's screwed up. Huh. The Elvis Stalwart. I did one of these recently in a rapid rescue theme. Totally changing it, obviously, from what Leslie originally started with. But that build was a blast. And this has so much potential. This is obviously kid painted. I mean, black with gold on the bottom. That's somebody who's having fun with that. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Oh, here's an old, let's see, a Hot Wheels Dodge van, 77 Dodge van. That, with the Batman theme to it. Obviously, the wheels have been stolen off of that one. Do I try it? Oh, I have a plane. Look, I've already... I'm obviously not thinking too straight because I'm like, I need to put a plane in there. I already have a plane in there. Oh, what is that? That is really kid painted. Oh, it's the Merryweather fire engine Matchbox. Well, I guess I can see it under the heavy green kid paint. Man, that's really heavy kid paint on there. Maybe I've got too much of a van style theme going here in your box so far. Let's try and change it a little. The 8-wheel crane? Yeah, the 8-wheel crane. With the hook. Wow. This is a special box. Wedge this in there. We'll get it all in there one way or another. I'm hoping you have a lot of fun with this, Scott. The stuff I'm sending you is, I know it's going to kind of be out there away from your norm of building. So, yeah, so it's in something with a dragon on it, just to really, the dragon blaster. Yeah, let's send something like this to really, if I'm going to throw you for a loop, let's send you all the way over it. I gotta save this with something. What's this, the up front? Yeah, the up front 924. Okay, there's nothing like a nice little Porsche to just bring some sense of normalcy back to what's in the box. You're probably pointing at this going, hey, give me that one, give me that one. The roll cage. I did one of these a while back. This one actually still has the wheel back here, which is kind of cool. This obviously is perfect for this type of build. I mean, it's almost already there. I'm actually... running into the box being full almost too quickly. The Fangula. No, I'm not throwing the Fangula in there because I want to do a few of these Fangulas, to be honest with you. Got to get rid of that headlight or put a matching one on. But yeah, I actually, I think I have one of these stripped Corsair. Corsair 2? Is that what but, you know, I think of, do you remember the TV show Baba Black Sheep? Probably most of you are too young for that. With Pappy Boynton and the rest of his soldiers flying the Corsairs. That was such a cool show. I fell in love with the Corsair watching that show. I'll throw that Corsair in there for you. Wow, that's a cheaply made casting. But who knows what you might use that for. What else should I throw in here, Scott? Is there anything that you're looking at going, wow, I wish he'd throw that in there? Yeah, I know, I just kind of stuck that one in there. Wow. Should I do that to you? Okay, you're getting C-3PO just because C-3PO's gotta go. Not to be confused with gotta go casting. Split this down now. Like that. Shark! Now you've already got some weird stuff in there. I can't do that to you. I mean, the box is actually pretty full already. I'm not quite sure where your imagination is going to go with this stuff. I mean, there's some things in here that I think are naturally suited towards this type of build. But at the same time, I don't think I'm making this particularly easy. And I don't want it to be too, like, oh dear God, what am I going to do with this? This thing's kind of natural for this type of build, too. I don't see a name on it. BDC 89, I'm sure that's not it. But that has a cool, spacey look to it. There's probably something off the back. But who knows? That's just trippy. That you could easily give like a sci-fi space look. So, yeah, that's going to go in there, too. Oops. I think that's where I'm going to call it. I'm going to throw a helicopter in there. Just for fun. Just for giggles. Okay, let me get this out of the way. So there's that stuff. I mean, there's a lot of potential, and at the same time, it's like a weird grouping. So I hope this works for you, Scott. Remember, the challenge is really telling you, at a minimum, you just need to use one of the castings. You can use your own parts and all kinds of other things as you wish. Throw some extra wheels in here. Just go back to this. Throw some skulls in here. Some jerry cans. I'm back up, and I've got the 3D printer going. I've just been, and you may hear it in my voice, under the weather. And so my voice is a little off today, which is a little frustrating, but hey, the way it is. Some engines, exhaust pipes. I apologize for not having as many videos lately of me making things, and two of the recent ones were actually recorded a little while back. Not all that far back, but just a little bit. So those were in the can already, which was handy to have them ready to go. How about a bunch of rockets? Lord knows what you put that on. I don't think there's anything that wide in here, but you can always cut them as well. Yeah, throw some stuff in you can figure out if you want to use it or not. Tire spikes. Finally, what else do we have in here? I don't know. Pellets and rams. These tanks. Yeah, actually, I think I'm gonna call it right there, Scott. So this is gonna be what's going out to you. I hope you have a lot of fun with this mix. There's a lot of cool stuff in here that has a lot of potential, and there's some really weird things in here. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching this go together. And Scott, have a blast with this. I can't wait to see what you do with it. Have fun. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.